If you are unable to access your Shopify account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page and enter your email address associated with your account. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Check your email. After clicking Forgot Password, check your email inbox for password reset link from Shopify. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it hasn't been filtered. Step 3. Use backup codes. If you have previously set up two-factor authentication and saved backup codes, use one of those codes to log in. This can help you bypass the need for verification codes sent to your phone. Step 4. Contact Shopify support. If you cannot access your email or do not have backup codes, reach out to Shopify support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow support instructions. Once you contact support, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask for identification or other details to help you recover your account without the verification codes. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Shopify account. If you continue to experience issues, keep in touch with Shopify support for further assistance.